informational session, we are honored to have a representative from Virginia Foods Incorporation. Please join us in welcoming our speaker.
Please join us in welcoming our guest speaker from Virginia Food, the area sales manager of Virginia Food, Mr. Alvin Erese. A round of applause, please.
Thank you so much. I prefer to stand here in front of you, is it okay? Because it's better for me to interact with you guys in this video, right? So, happy that there is for much better so you can see there and then see. Okay, so let me just introduce myself. Before anything else, this is going to be our topic for this afternoon. Can you just play it? Right, so I will not allow everyone staying here if you're not going to be getting any purpose portion na akong i-discuss sa afternoon, okay? So might as well listen carefully because it's going to be a roadmap journey. Kay wala kang nag-enroll din, hindi mo graduate. You want it to be successful. You have a dream as well. So better na namingaw ta and then let's take this very seriously. So, are you with me right now? Thank you. So, my name is Alvin Erese. I'm the Area Sales Manager for Virginia Food Inc. So, I've been in the sales for 26 years. So, when I graduated in Double Doctors College way back 2000, I applied for a medical representative. And then, after medical representative, I became an operations manager for the BPO. And then I started my career again with the FMCG, so fast-moving consumer, for decades. So after that, I became an area sales manager. But the question is, sir, asa mo ko nagsugod, no? So when I graduated from college, I have really a dream to really become a manager. I really had a dream that I really wanted to make my family proud of me. That's really my dream. Then I have to follow my journey, the roadmap. Kasi if I don't have any aspirations in life, I don't have any goals and dreams, so I would be very I would stay stagnant lang. So we will not allow ourselves na diyan ang patuto. Okay? So right now, I motivate everyone to just focus on the dreams that you have right now, and I'm pretty sure that you'll really achieve that. Kung kaya na ko, kaya ninyo. Could you just imagine I started, nagkarga ko og kanang mga box of mga sabon sa una when I started, So, lisod kayo, it's very hard for me to do the startup period. It's a birth pain in my end, Masyadong mahirap yan. But I have my goals. I told myself, sabi ko na, someday I will become a manager. Someday I will reach my goals. Someday I will be riding my own vehicles. I have my dream house. I have my family. Hindi sila mahirapan. Actually, my daughter is here. She's taking legal management. That girl wearing red. Her name is Louis. She's a graduate of dito sa Malayan, sa Mapuba. And then, siya for legal management because she also had a dream to become a lawyer. Sabi ko sa kanya, let pursue your dream. Okay? So right now, our focus now is really to focus on the dream. But we have journey. We have process. Say process. Say with me, process. if the process is right, the product is excellent. See, excellent. Kasi if the process is not good, hanggang doon lang kayo. You will not take the journey or process, so ang mangyayari sa inyo, stagnant kayo. Because you will do shortcuts. In life, there is no shortcuts. Okay? Can we proceed to the next slide, please? Let me just show you how Virginia set up.
With a good understanding of what our customers desire and providing beyond expectation, that is how Virginia Foods thrives. It is that same passion for our customers that has convinced us to transform Virginia Foods.
Virginia Food has been in existence for more than 50 years. We are a processed meat company. We do canned meat products and frozen meat products. But because of our commitment to our customers, we have gone beyond just being a
This is Mr. Stanley Go, our Vice
the
President.
meat food solution.
This is our
We pride ourselves with our research and development team and innovation. We can actually create different products for different market segments.
Our core strength is product innovation. Virginia Foods aims to deliver new products and is capitalizing on this endeavor now more than ever.
Our company is grounded on 4 pillars. The pillar of product, supply, service, and relationship. The pillar of product is represented by our research and development and quality assurance. We guarantee that nothing leaves the plant without passing our standards in quality and product safety.
Virginia Foods began as a backyard poultry farm in Mandaue back in the 1960s. Since then, the company has grown to become one of the most exciting food manufacturers in the country.
The pillar of supply is represented by our plant operations. At Virginia Food, we invest in technology and innovation. Thus, we want to assure our customers that our products are produced efficiently at optimum cost.
Virginia Foods serves different types of households within a broad demographic, from families in the province to the millennials in their condos. We also serve various sizes of food business operation, ranging from barbecue stalls to catering companies. Virginia Foods has satisfied the needs of customers from all walks of life.
The next pillar is the pillar of service. This is represented by our distribution and logistics department. In the Philippines, being an archipelago and being in the typhoon belt, where there are a lot of calamities happening, there are a lot of servicing disruption. You cannot ship your products from Cebu to Davao or to Cagayan because of typhoon. But because we have depots across key cities in the Visayas and Mindanao, we have maintained a level of inventory that will assure our customers of uninterrupted service.
Just recently, we launched our express delivery service, bringing our quality products right at your doorstep. Our comprehensive range of food and other products now have a nationwide reach, even venturing far beyond our borders to our Southeast Asian neighbors.
The last pillar is relationship. It's represented by our sales and marketing. This is where we forge partnerships with our customers. We try to understand the need of our customers to be able to give value to them.
More than just food company, we believe in cultivating a brand relationship with our customers by providing the best customer support to our partner businesses. Over the years, our business has grown exponentially, making Virginia Foods one of the most profitable food manufacturers in the country. But none of that would be possible without our people, who share our passion for success.
What sets humans apart from machines is man's ability to be creative and man's ability to forge relationship. And that is the reason why at Virginia Food we invest in training and seminars to really draw out the best in our people, to help them become the best version of themselves. And in Virginia, we really rely on our people. The success of our company is grounded on our people.
Virginia Foods is all about innovation and quality, but our values do not end there. We give back what we can through community outreach and environment protection programs.
The culture of Virginia Food are founded on different values. The values of integrity, the values of passion, excellence, and creativity.
Customers, quality products, efficient distribution, and good values. That's Virginia Foods. Now ready to serve you even more with our latest innovation, the ultimate food solution. Basta Virginia.
Thank you so much, UM, no? And also CBAE, sir. No, CBAE ba ang nag-organize? Yeah, and also Ma'am Shirley a while ago really gave us a very inspirational speech. No? So, Virginia Food is very thankful, no, for partnership with CBAE, especially here in the University of Mindanao. And we are here to also expand, no, a good relationship with you guys. No? So as of the moment, we will be tackling more about the sales and marketing. So but we will connect it to the Hiraya. Okay? So because our team is Hiraya, sir, right? Okay. So can you present the next slide, please? This is our brand. So who among you here already tasted Virginia? No? Sige. Alam naman natin ano yung pinaka-brand ng Virginia sa hotdog. It's a hotdog brand, no? But we still have more products that we haven't known yet. We have Estefan's, New Yorker. Yung New Yorker, yun na yung nag-viral sa Facebook, no? And nasa 7-Eleven na siya. And Rancho, Australian, ito na yung Australian corned beef. Yung champion namin, yung Big Shots, Winner, Island Spice, Potato Kingdom, and Vinta. So we also have Virginia French fries. So we have a lot of partners, no? Especially Jollibee. That's our partners na, no? Virginia French fries natin. So those are our brands. So we have a humble beginning. Before that, meron kami isang brand lang na talaga na sinasabi namin na yun yung pinaka-push brand namin. It's Virginia Hot Dogs. Okay? So, eventually, nag-evolve ang company, so we come up to other brands. Until such time na nagkakaroon kami into the dry goods na mga handle lines na. So, that's the humble beginning 50 years ago. Okay? So, next slide, please. Sige, what is Hiraya Manawari? A while ago, it was shared, sir, right? Hiraya Manawari. But let me just cut it into a simplest way. May your dreams come true. So who among you here has a dream? Gusto nyo ma-asenso? You're all in a business course, right? So hindi pwede na dito yung pwede ma-asenso. Kailangan nyo ba ma-asenso? No? Kailangan, you really have to push for your dream. Say push. Push for your dream. Because if you not push for your dream, stagnan kayo. Hanggang doon na kayo. So we will not allow that. Okay? That's why we are here, because we want our dreams to succeed. So we will connect this one into sales and marketing. Okay? Next slide, please. In sales and marketing, we have vision, we have belief, and we have action. So, can we do this very interactive? No? So, what is vision? It's like, it's a story about vision. What is vision? Anyone from you guys, what is vision? Anyone from you guys, what is vision?
Sir, how about this, sir? Since no one can answer that, how about we call the random person?
Yeah.
Since I'm from the legal management, sir, I would like to ask a fellow legal management student, sir. Okay, that's okay. Angel, can you answer Sir's question, Sir Arvin's question?
I'll answer in my own words now. So for me, vision is look. What are the things that you look forward, the things that you want to achieve in the future is what your vision has supposed to have. So,
Exactly. Vision is your roadmap. Say roadmap. If you don't have any map, where will you go? Asa ka mo ba doon? Watak-watak, di ba? Hindi mo makaadto sa inyong pinaka-adtuan because you don't have a map. You don't have a roadmap. So that's the vision in life. So it's very important for you to have a vision. If you are now running a business, it you're into sales and marketing, if you wanted to apply for a job, if you want to do a business eventually, you should have a vision. Not only vision for your career, but also vision in life. Okay? So that's the first thing that you will have to do. You really have to find out what is really your vision. Because if you don't have any vision, wala kang mapa. You don't know where to go. You will be going somewhere else. Left, right, no? You don't have any place to go. So mawawala kayo. So present first sa sarili niyo that you have a vision. Okay, say vision. Vision. Second is belief. Now, if you are into sales and marketing, you have a product, what will you do? You really have to believe on what you are selling. Say believe. Because if you not believe, pag hindi kayo naniniwala sa produkto ninyo, and even sa business ninyo, and even sa journey, and even sa plans ninyo, you don't have this persistence. High persistence. No? To push. Sayang yung panahon. No? Kasi you don't believe what you're doing, you don't believe yourself. Who among you here do not believe yourself? Bakit naiiyak pa until now? If I ask someone to stand here and then sell 5 peso, you can sell it or not? Nandun pa tayo, di ba? Because you don't believe na you can sell it. But right now, it's a training for you to really believe what you are doing, to really believe your company, to really believe what you have right now, and eventually, you're selling something. Okay? Because pag wala yung paniniwala, I tell you, you will not close the deal. You will not close any transaction. Are you with me? Okay. Action. After your vision, you believe in your vision, right? Nandun na kayo, papunta na kayo sa road ninyo. And then you believe what you're selling, you believe what you are right now, no? Nakaya mo. Eh wala naman kayo action. Hindi naman ninyo pinut into action. Do you understand it? If you don't put into action, walang mangyayari. Say, walang mangyayari. Walang mangyayari if you don't put it into action. Try to understand that every situation, if you are in the business course, you really have to strategize. Strategize means learning, thinking, and then put it into action. Kasi if you not put it into action, sayang. Sayang yung pinag-isipan, sayang yung strategy, wala. Who among you here has, sana nagbenta ako, sana online selling ako, pag nag-online selling ako, meron ako ng income, but hindi naman kayo ng online selling. Hindi naman kayo nagbenta. Sayang yung mga panahon na pinag-isipan, and then afterwards, wala kayong action. No? Even though na may mga rejection, but you put it into action. Are you with me? Okay. See, vision, belief, and action. Later on, you have a QR code, no? So, pwede hindi kayo mag-take it, just scan it later on, para you have these slides now. Okay? Can you proceed to the next slide, please? I will want you to watch this video now. This is more inspiration. Remember this one, profitability. Second is accountability. You want to profitable, you have to be accountable. You have to be very competitive and execute. In doing a business, you have to be very more competitive. Say competitive. Unsa man sa Bisaya ang competitive? Sir, sa Bisaya ang competitive? Sa Tagalog, other words for competitive. Tagayin na lang kung isa ka senaryo. Magpapindi o di magpapindi? Magpataog-taog o di magpataog-taog? Kinihanglan, competitive ka. You want better or you want number one? We want to be number one. Better is different from number one. Better, dapat tayong better. But number one, you are number one. If you do business, you have to be more competitive. Ayaw mo, maguna-una, okay lang. Say no, okay lang. No, okay lang. You have to be more competitive. Even in your studies, di ba, sir? Sir is very competitive. I can see it a while ago. When you talk, diba? When you host, you are very much competitive. Wala kang nasa hosting na event, sir. So, University Mindanao of Mindanao students are very competitive. Nakapalanggan yung radio ads dati, very competitive na galit yung radio ads. Isa pa, Bisaya, Bisaya. No? Very competitive tayo to. Diba? Kung nagpapagod sa video, at yung lahat sila yung nag-astorya sila ng asawa, lahat ng eskwela sa UN. Pero when I listen to that ads, ano, grabe ka competitive sa UN, kamu pa ka ha? Natalang UN, di ba? So, University of Mindanao students are very competitive. No? There are so many universities in Davao City, but I can see it. That's why I prefer my daughter to study here. Because I know that University of Mindanao is very competitive. My daughter is very competitive as well. So I wanted her to be more competitive. In doing a business, if you are now working in a certain company, you have to be more competitive para you be recognized. Because if you are not competitive, your business, your career will not be recognized. There are so many business na maligya o tagumpay. But how can you more be competitive na ikaw ang mag-viral? There's so many business na naglutok din na nagsisig. But how can you be more competitive na ikaw ma-recognize ang mag-viral? Think about the strategy. Your vision. You have to go back to the vision. You have to go back to the action. As you see in the video a while ago, profitability versus accountability. Say it. Profitability versus accountability. You will not do business if you will not be more profitable, right? Are you with me? But you are accountable. Pag yung business ninyo nag-down, you are accountable. Pag yung business ninyo nag-up, you are also accountable. Lahat accountable. But the problem here is this, you are not the only one accountable. Why? Marami kang mga downlines. If you are running a business, you already have employees. No? If you are a manager, you also have mga downlines mo, subordinates mo. You are accountable. No? So, if you want it to be like more profitable, you have to expect accountability. To avoid accountability, push. Kasi if you not push, ano mangyayari? Stuck na. Say stuck na. Ayaw natin maging stuck na. Right? Okay. So are we now ready to face another journey in your life after you graduated here? Virginia has a lot to offer. We are looking for someone who are more competitive, competent, or capable to join our team. If you are dreaming to ride your own car, Virginia is here with you. Kasi wala pong ahente sa Virginia na wala pong sasakyan na worth $1 million. And that's gonna be worse. That's why we are here to partner with you guys. After you graduated, our company is open. That's why we partner sa University of Mindanao because this is gonna be a priority school na gusto namin i-hire. So, are we dreaming now? Masarap pakinggan, diba? I can see you, sir, riding your own Avanza, riding your own Fortuner, riding your own car, Mirage. Wow. And you can have it 6 months, meron talaga. See? That's what dream is. That's what sales is. I've been in a Globe. I worked, namatay Globe, no? Globe partners are here, right? I've been with Globe Telecom for 8 years as operations manager. I handle also fiber, G Fiber. So my account is in General Santos City and Bukidnon area. So that starts my career. So can we proceed to the next slide, please? So, thank you. Why it matters in sales and marketing? Okay. Now, sometimes when we are selling, we sell products, right? But hindi natin nakikita na meron pa palang isa na pwede natin sell. Okay? Remember that sales is about people, not just products. You have to prepare your people because people or employee are the backbone of the company. Say backbone. Kayo yung nagiging backbone ng company. Hindi po makakatayo ang isang company kung wala po empleyado or salesperson. Am I right or am I wrong? Diba? Sir, you stand up, sir. Hindi ka makakatayo, sir, kung wala kang backbone, sir. Kaya nga meron tayong backbone para makakatayo tayo, sir, right? Thank you, sir. Mahilig yan, sir. Yung steamer, sir. Sayang nila magkakakunan, sir. Anyway, the company couldn't stand alone. There should be a backbone. And the backbone is the people. Hindi ako makakatayo sa sarili ng kumpanya kung wala akong mga tao nagrarami for my business. Okay? So, after that, of course, those people will sell the products. But there should be a trainings and seminars. So, marketing connects dreams with solution. Ang pinaka-libre dito sa mundo, sirs and moms, are to dream big. Wala namang bayad ang pag-dream, sir, diba? So, you have to dream big. Hiraya manawari, dream come true. Hiraya. No? Ang hirap, sir, mag-business o mag-apply o mag-aral nang wala po tayong dreams, same dreams. Because kung nag-aral lang tayo because we are just too compliance sa ating mga magulang and we don't have any dreams, para tayong baby pa rin na nag-graduate na tayo, meron pa rin chupon. Ano pa rin? Ano tayo? No? May gatas pa rin. So kailangan, when we graduated college, let's push our dreams. No? Kasi, if we don't have any dreams, and then we don't put our dreams into action, sayang yung 4-year course natin. Are we learning? Yes. Your role is to turn customer aspirations into reality. Say reality. Reality means, sa Bisaya pa?
Sa tinuodan.
Okay. Kailangan po ito ang mga customers sometimes, they will ask questions. Sometimes, asa man siya, asa man yung product. Sometimes they don't believe in the product. When you buy sa Shopee, kung saan man yung humuon, what will you do? Di ba? You will look for stars, you look for, saan na siya? Di ba? Saan sa kita ng luma? Mga views, o para to make it more, kailangan reliable siya. Kasi walang views, ibig sabihin, pagdating sa inyo, nag-order kayo ngayon ng isang damit at nadating kay na damit, pero damit pa rin siya, pero kay pa rin. Kulit pa. Diba? So, kailangan natin ng views. So, dapat, when we sell something, dapat si customer, alam niya na we are with him. No? Totoo tayo sa kanila. Alam nila na totoo yung biniganda natin sa kanila. Okay? Mahirap na hausyaw when we sell something. You have to be more open when we sell something. Even if you're not doing business, sir, you have to be open to your customers. Do you agree? Okay, can we move to the next slide, please? So this is going to be a Hiraya mindset. Number one is believe in the possibilities. Number two, see opportunities where others see rejection. Okay? And treat every no as a step closer to a yes. That is number one. Believe in the possibilities. Anyone here nakatry na o mag-VA, virtual assistant? Wala pa. Do you know what lead generation is? You look for a leads. Diba? You look for a leads. Leads will produce customers. So that's the first step. No? So those are the things that we need to check first before we come up to a customer. So, unsa ba na siya? Possible ba siya na maging customer natin or no? Diba? That's lead generation. That's the one of the basic virtual assistant job na nakikita ko ngayon. Parang yun lang yung pinakamagaling sa virtual assistant job aside from the technical. No? So, opportunities for others see rejection. So, not every time na you sell a product and even you apply for a job, makukuha na agad ninyo yun. Prepare for a rejection. Say, prepare for a rejection. Sa Bisaya pa, ayaw mo kumpiyansa o bilib ka sa inyong kaugalingon. Okay, there will be a time that you will be rejected. Sir, tindog sir. Atubang sila sir. Nakapanguyab na ka sir, wala ka. Wala ka sir. Kinsa may nakapanguyab din eh. Sir, can we stand up sir? Do you have sir? Do you have a girlfriend? Isa man din ang anay girlfriend. Come sir. Oh, ato na lang uyab na sa anak nila. Ano na siya? Okay. Have you tried being rejected? Na-devasted ka, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sabi mo na feel.
Sakit.
Pero pagpamuyag mo sa anak na hindi ka na-devasted na.
Wala, sir.
Okay, can you stand up? This is my daughter. Her name is Louie. So, thank you. Sakit kaayo ma-reject. Sakit kaayo na na-apply ka o isa ka position na you will be rejected because
Tatanay niyo
not
sa
only you who apply for the position, not only you to go for the business. Ang daming nag-business ng food. Ang daming nag-business ng anong gusto ngayon ng business? Yung coffee. Sa tabi-tabi. Diba? Lahat ng coffee sa tabi-tabi lang. And that's, ngayon na, diba? Ang dami. So, meron, yung katabi mo, maraming customer, ikaw, hindi mo, ka. No? So, be careful. But, ang sabi nito, treat every no as a step closer. Say closer. Closer to a yes. You are so much persistent. Bata kaayo. Wow. Gusto ko yun. Bakit? And you are so much persistent na whatever gender you have, with your boy or girl, but you are so much eager. Hindi mo nyo lang magbuhat. Pero, ginawang ka. Mupadayon ba ka? Gusto mo din yun, huwag kang uyab, sir. Huwag kang uyab. Nanguyab ka, huwag kang yung uyab. Di ba siya ka, pero huwag kang yung uyab. Huwag ka na, huwag kang uyab sa akin. That's consistent. Because it says in sales and marketing that every no as a step closer to a yes. Malay mo, say malay mo. Malay mo. Siya na. Siya na pala. Malay mo itong business na to, ito na pala. Malay mo itong dream job na to, akin na pala ito. I encountered that. I applied for Virginia 3 times. I tell you guys. First time I was rejected, second time I was rejected, and the third time I was hired. Love it. Because I push. Say push. Because this is really my dream job to become an area sales manager. Sabi ko, this is another step in my career. Mas angat pa sa operations manager. And applied, on the third time when I applied in Virginia, I was hired by my national sales manager. Sabi ko, hindi pala mahirap pag i-push. Say push. Push lang. Push lang, say push. How you push ka? How you push ka? Push lang. So push your dream. Kasi pag nag-no, you sell something, pag nag-no, bentahan ko ulit. Another strategy ulit. Malay mo. Yung nag-no sa iyo, yun yung magpapaangat sa iyo. Siya pa ang magpapabayra sa iyo. Are we learning? Sige, specific ulit sa next. Mindset na, we are talking about mindset ha. It's a yes mindset. Say yes mindset.
Yes, mindset.
Walang yung mindset ka. Okay. Dreams drive results. Say dreams drives result. Hindi man pwede magdanggutan na wala'y resulta. Hindi pwede na maggusto na ito, may tako, na wala'y resulta. Ayaw na natulog tayo, nagtanggo ka, wala may resulta. Pero ganun, we look forward ba? No? We look forward. Asa lang ko nagsugod? Sa champion ng world. So, nag-start ko sa humble beginnings na ako. Hanggang sa start ko to get this opportunity after 26 years na anak ko rin. Could you just imagine for 26 years, 2 decades before I reached this position? 2 decades after speaking, 2 decades before you should kayo to speak. But right now, after 2 decades, nahanap ko din speaking in front of you. Who among you here wanted to stand here and speak? Can you raise your hand? Again, kinsa ang sa inyo na dream na someday, mutinto mo din kamo na po ang istorya. Wala yung gusto. Wala may dreams.
Wala may dreams. Grabe di po dito.
Because someday, hindi nyo alam, kayo na pala dito. Kayo na pala nag-speak and you have hundreds of people. Because you will never know the journey of your life. You know what the secret is? You know what the secret is in being successful? You have to dream. Say dream. If you don't have a dream, hindi ka magiging successful sa life. But if you dream big, you harvest big. I have an example. Kung ang malimos na lang ka, nangayo ka karon, for example, naay nagmalimos ako ha, nangayo siya og 5. This is reality ha. Nangayo siya og 5 sa ako. I told him, Becker. I told him, sir, 5 lang yung kailangan. Nangayon ka lang sa kuha, 5 lang pag-ibig yung kailangan. So, nihatag ko og 50 sa iya. Basta kung kaya niya, ano ko siya, pag nangayon na nagalit lang, nakuha ko ako, kaya na kayo ng 5. Diba? When you ask something, make it bigger. Ask bigger. Kumbaga kung we connect it to Sa religious may storya, when we ask something to God, let's ask bigger. Ayaw nilang kakarampon lang. Ibig sabihin, when we dream big. Ayaw, dream ka ng gamay na kaayo, sir, right? Kasi kung gamay na rin yung dream, yan ang pagkakutob sa gamay na dream. I hope that's very clear. Okay? So right now, start with me. When you start to dream, for sure nangyari so. Okay? Sige. Great sales people sell with purpose. Say purpose. Hindi ka pwede makaligyan na wala kang purpose. Your purpose is to really hit your target. If you're in a sales community, you have targets. Your purpose is really to sell this product. Because if you're not gonna sell this product, ibig sabihin you are not competent. Tama? Hindi ka capable to be a salesperson. You already have training, seminars, you have experience, you have business, but wala kang purpose. Your purpose is to sell 10 people, 10 customers, say about 10 products. That's your purpose. But if you have 10 products, you only sell 5, you still have 5 remaining, na-defeat yung purpose. Yan na ka sa target. So, set a target for yourself. Key target. Not only a business, but also sa inyong aspirations. Do you have checklist? My question is, again, listen. Do you have checklist sa inyong life? Very important on the checklist. If you don't have checklist sa inyong life, wala may vision. Now, sa mga checklist. Pag-graduate na ako, check. Ano ko tumawa. After na ko ng trabaho, checklist na ako. Abot na ako 30, nagpipalay. 20 pa lang ko, 25, nagpipalay. That's your goal. Checklist. Starting today, I encourage everyone to buy a small notebook. I-draw nyo dito, isulat ninyo, motto nyo, checklist. I tell you, pag abot ninyo, mo sa age, and then nakamit na ninyo siya, go back to your checklist. Makita ninyo na. Because if you don't have checklist in your life right now, lisod ka ayo na nagtira bahala na lang mo sa metabolism na. Are we connecting? So, I encourage everyone to do checklist. Okay? Say checklist, sir. Checklist. Okay? Your goals fuel consistency and resilience. Ibig sabihin, ang goal nato, siya ang atong gasolina. Ang vehicle nato is ang consistency and resilience. Kay, after nato magpagasolina sa atong sakyanan, hindi na siya mudagan kung wala yung consistency. Hindi ka makabalo kung antod asa nato na siya para patagano na natong sakyanan na nanay gasolina. Are you connecting with me? Okay? Salamat sa isa duwa ka taong mga guests. Success starts with your personal vision. That's why I keep on telling you guys that yung vision dapat. Because if you don't have vision, ayaw mo pa-expect na magiging successful mo. Kaya wala man may vision, wala man may dream, wala man may gitanaw sa iyong sarili. So, gusto mo may anila mo? Yung anila, pag-graduate, naagyapon sa balay. No? Pabigat gihapon sa pamilya. No? We will not allow that. Are you with the man? Diba? Gusto ka, if you graduated, ma'am, pabigat gihapon ka? No. No? Karon pa lang, as a student, try to visualize what will happen to you in the next years after you graduate. Diba? Kung saan mo? Contento na ba mo na mag-graduate mo, na mag-BPO na mo? I'm not telling na ang BPO is hindi na siya yung okay na job, ha? But we are thinking of the long term. Gusto nyo din kayo ng budget base na ito. We are thinking of the long term. Tuloy-tuloy. Sa BPO mga pag wala na project, wala na kaya, wala na bigla, hanggang bigla. Hindi na nabugang lain na company, apply na po ka. So, asa mo ka? Hindi ka long term. Diba? Anak ka ko sa mga anak mo, gusto ka mag-uyab. Una-una na lang mo, paano ka nag-uyab? Kaya na yung mga uyab, ay uyab din eh. Hindi lang mo mag-uyab-uyab. Na may future plans. Kaya ka na mag-uyab-uyab, na may future plans, wala mo mga ano yung map, yan ang magtutok, yan ang pagmulain, yan ang pagmulain, yan ang pagmulain. Daga na yung uyab, and then such time na, wala na. Isod lang mo, tako na lang unta. Kung ikatuloy na kong uyab, siya na lang unta ako, i-dominio, anak, so isod kayo. So sa pagkukat palandaan, na siya yung plano. Muna gihapon na siya din, no? Success starts with your personal vision. Pag nalaman mo yung vision, pato na. Ituloy na ninyo. Ayaw na ninyo na siya masakti. No? Continue. Push. Say push. Push to the end of in your dream. Okay? The word for today is push. Push to that. Next slide, please. Okay. Marketing with a purpose. Okay. We are doing sales, we are doing marketing. Now, let's talk about marketing. What are the purpose of the marketing? Number one, customers buys emotion and outcomes. Say emotional branding. Very important sa marketing is you sell the emotion, not the brand. Okay ng brand, given na siya, but you sell the emotion. Later on, I will show you what's that emotional branding means. Okay? Understand customer dreams. Not only you ang nag-dream, also customer. Gusto ko magkaroon ng pusong na Wi-Fi na G-Fiber na 30 Mbps. Pero pag abot sa kuha 10 Mbps, kung saan kalisunan. Hindi maningaw ako ang dream. No? So dapat, 30 Mbps yun ako nagawatan. No? So that's what I really impose when I still in Globe Telecom na nag-handle ko fiber. Amo ginaginasulti na 30 Mbps yun ako nagawatan. Not up to. Okay? No, dreams. At our customer also have dreams. For example, si MaxiCare, for example, si insurance, nandiyan po na sila dreams na someday, no, pag ako nagka-problema ko, nandiyan po kayo nagawatan because I am insured, no, so di ko makaproblema. So, nandiyan po na sila ng dreams. Tell stories that inspire trust and action. So, when you do marketing, very important that you tell stories, not product stories. No, tell stories. Okay? Tell stories. So, what are these? Kung saan akong ginagawa, what I'm saying is this. Can we move to another slide, sir? These are emotional branding. These are marketing. Sa Virginia, in Virginia, we don't market the product na parang you're selling it na typical product na hotdog, tapos yung features and benefits. What we are selling is the emotion. Like for example, the family, matagal nang wala si nanay, nasa abroad, and then last year, kasama namin siya during Christmas. Meeting na especially sa mga marketing student, no, do emotional branding para yung capture ng customer, yung capture ng mga gusto mamili sa inyo is more on the emotions. No? It's not on the brand that you're selling. For example, sa amin sa Virginia, nung Pasko, no? Wala si Kuya, we celebrate it with food, we celebrate Christmas, wala si Kuya, nasa labas si Kuya, pero nag-zoom pa rin kami, meron din na hindi namin expect na si Kuya pala darating, si Papa darating from abroad, tapos nag-celebrate kami, tapos nakahain sa Virginia products. You know what I mean? So you sell emotions, no? Nakita mo sa commercial sa Jollibee? They sell emotions, right? Not the brand. They sell emotions. That's what you call emotional branding. Say emotional branding. That's the parang ano na yun, sa mga Gen Z pa na term, emotional branding. Yun siya ang pinaka-importante. When you market a product, do not sell the product ng mga sinabi na pa. Paano sir, meron kami produkto dito sir. Wala. No. Good emotions. Alam mo na sir, last time, and my parents asking for this brand. Ayaw na, but right now kasi mo, nakitulong ko yung brand sa kanya because, you tell stories about your brand. That's how you capture customers. Say capture. So you capture your customers through what? Through emotional branding. Okay? You capture your customers through emotional branding. Because if you sell without emotion, you sell the product lang, tingnan mo yan ang bibenta niya sa TikTok. Di ba? Kung sino yung may emotional branding, sila pa yung mismo maraming mga views. Because we sell emotions, not the product. Are we learning? Okay. Proceed to the next slide, please. From product selling to dream selling. Okay? Don't just sell features. Sell transformation and value. Okay. Now, upuan. Itong upuan. Kasi hindi ko kasi upuan na. If I sell this one, sabihin ko lang, sir, buy this product, sir, for only 300 pesos. And I'm sure, sir, for this 300 pesos, sir, I will give you less discount and buy one less 30%. Or, should I say, someone will stay here. Can stay here now. Stay here now. Let's be interactive ba? Okay lang ba? Okay lang. When you see this chair, ma'am, anong una mong gawin? Pagod na pagod ka, anong una mong gawin sa chair? You really wanted to what? Sit down na, diretso. Pak! Sit down, diretso. Thank you, ma'am. When you sit down, diretso, hindi mo man lang tinignan kung, teka, baka may biyak. Teka, baka may biyak. Baka when I sit down, baka pag napututok, baka ako. Di ba? Walang value. Ganun tayo minsan. We are too much aggressive, impulsive, no? Ganun tayo tinatawag na impulsive buying. Di ba? Wala na kayong pakialam, basta gusto mo. Afterwards, nagsisip ka. Sinagot mo na, yun pala, hindi pala magandang gamit. Patay tayo. Sana siya na lang, yung isa na lang. Kahit hindi masyado gwapo, pero okay na lang lagi. Sometimes si gwapo yung kayo minsan. Pero may gwapo naman na okay.
Ikaw.
What I'm trying to say here is, don't sell just the features because maganda sila. You sell mo, but also sell the transformation. Ma'am, actually ma'am, this set costs only 300 pesos. I will give you less 20%. But you can see this one natin. Tingnan niyo po, ang value ng upuan na tumapos. Makapal siya, hindi siya basta lang. You sell the value of your product. And then, what transform here is, it will stay longer man. Siguro, abot siya ng mga 10 years, 5 years. Supposedly, hindi siya basta nabigyan. You sell the features, not only the features, but the transformation and the value of the product. So, for sure, kung ako si customer, bibilin ko siya kasi kumpleto na po yung sinabi ko sa kanya. So, are we learning from this chair? No, not from this chair. Take from this one, okay? So, self-confidence. When you sell, huwag tayo mag-run, sir, because pinag-aralan natin ito sa CBAE. Pinag-aralan natin ito sa sales and marketing. Bawal mahiya sa sales. Bawal mahiya ng business. If you start up for a business, I tell you guys, I am riding a Fortuner car before, but I am selling barbecue. That's true. My daughter knows it. I am selling barbecue sa night market. Okay? Yung aking sasakyan, andun nangamoy na ng barbecue stick, barbecue, nangamoy ng barbecue chicken, or but hindi ako nahiya. No? Because I value, I have confidence, alam ko. I know it. I'm not just only working, but I'm doing something para not only na magkapera ako, but I have to transform myself. Alam ko yung bakit ng merkado. Are you learning? Okay. Convenience and connections. Now, very important guys, ang connection. Sorry, I'm about to end. Connection. Connection means you need more referrals. Because if you don't have any connection, don't put any business na lang. Don't put up business na lang. Kasi connection is very, very important. Connection to your customers, connection to your colleagues, to other business partners. That's why Virginia is here, because we wanted to have connection. Connection with University of Mindanao, because we're also doing business. Not only business para sa product namin, but services and also engagement with you guys and helping you guys that someday when you graduated, alam ninyo kung ano yung pinakauna ninyong applyan agad na company, and that's Virginia Food. And you are really a partner of Virginia Food. Can we just give the highest clap to Virginia Food? Okay? So, yun yung pinakauna mong isipin. That's why Virginia Food is here. Okay? So, that's connectionist. So ngayon, those who are here, those who are listening, may connection ako kayo. My name is Alvin Erese. I'm the area sales manager. When you graduated in college, tell them, nag-speak po si Sir Alvin, ako po yung isa sa napiling connection ngayon. Kahit hindi ko kayo kilala, ma'am, sir. Ito po yung sinabi ni ma'am ni Sir Alvin, sir, ito, connection na yun, if you drop the name. Knowing one by name, it's already connection. Say it, knowing someone by name is already a connection. Okay? Then we move forward. Overcoming rejection, sinabi ko na kanina, rejection is part of growth. Learn and keep moving or push. May no man, pero may yes na yan sa huli. Okay? Hiraya Manawari mindset reminds us to stay hopeful, say hopeful, and persistent. Hindi pwede na bigo parati ha, na hopeless ha. Ang taga-UM, walang hopeless ha. Puro hopeful ha. When you graduate, hopeful lahat ha. Follow your dreams. That's your roadmap. Okay? Let's move forward, sir. Now, I tell you a while ago that there's a checklist. This is gonna be your daily habit for success. Remember this one. This is very, very important. Number 1, set daily targets. Target sa not only, kasi ngayon, estudyante pa kayo, di ba? So, set a target. Ano yung target ninyo? You pass, you study, you pass, you study. You do research, that's your target. And your target is, you will pass, you will get higher grades. Di ba? When you graduate na, okay, my target is, I have to apply to Virginia, apply to other company, and then my target is, kailangan ma-hire ako. Yun yung pinaka-target ninyo. Guys, ang dami-daming schools, ang dami-daming nag-graduate, but you're very fortunate, Virginia partners with you guys. I tell you, can just give a highest clap to Virginia. See? That's what Virginia can offer to you. Not only our product, not only our services, but our relationship with you guys. Because we are now partners. Okay? Number 2. Next slide please. Practice active listening. So, for those who listen here, you already get your portion. For those who did not listen, siguro half lang ang portion. For those who are sleeping, siguro pagod lang. No? That's why you are here, because you wanted to listen. I will not allow, or you will not allow yourself na mag-alis dito na you don't have a portion na nakuha. Okay? That's why practice active listening. This is a costumbre, or this is really a practice. When you sell something, even though that you are now in the middle of talking, and masaya kayo, and then too aggressive in talking, if your customer talks, putol kayo. Again, if your customer talks o nag-response, kahit nandun pa kayo sa height na nagbebenta kayo, stop kayo. Let the customer talk, because in selling, in sales and marketing, there is always a gesture. Meron tayong gesture na pag kinausap mo, ayaw tumingin sa'yo, tuloy ka pa rin. Meron naman na nakatingin sa'yo, pero malayo yung isip. Meron naman na nakikinig sa'yo, biglang nagsalita, ibig sabihin, interested na. Stop talking. Let the customer talk. And then you up your response. And that's what we call a buying signal. Say buying signal. That's what we call a buying signal. When you see your customer has a buying signal, stop talking. Let them talk, throw a question, why? Sa panglimang why, pwede mo na yan ma-close ang deal. That's reliable. Yun yung pinaka-technique dyan. You ask 5 why, makuha mo na kung ano yung punto. Even sa relationship, even kung saan man kayo, even practicing nyo siya on yourself, when you talk to the person, you ask 5 questions, alam mo na kung ano na problema mo. 5 questions lang. Say 5 questions. Why? Unang tanong, bakit ka galit sa akin? Nagsalita. Tapos, bakit ayaw mo sabihin yung totoo? O bakit tahin na naman doon? Lalo na kung may boyfriend, girlfriend, di ba? Bakit hindi ka bakit ka tumawag sa akin? Kasi nalubat. Bakit ka nalubat? Kasi walang charger. Bakit wala kang charger? Kasi naiwan. Doon pa na sa pangatlong way, alam mo na, naiwan mo pala, dapat dinala mo na. Di ba? Alam mo naman na mag-aaway tayo. Ang daming naghiwalay sa lubat. Diba? Ang daming naghiwalay sa lubat. Lalo na pag isang araw naglubat yung cellphone, hindi ka makontak. Are you with me? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin mag-listen. Not only listening verbally, but yung listen natin kung ano yung listen. Okay? Next. Improve your sales pitch. Hindi pwede na wala kayong energy. Si Sir kanina, I like it, Sir, yung energy niya kanina, no? Kasi talagang na-capture mo yung mga students. Move forward! Move forward! Move forward! Diba? Sige, dito kayo! Diba? Diba? So, sige. Next slide. Celebrate small wins. Kahit na konti na nabenta, kahit na nag-start up na lang kayo, but you have customers na, you have to celebrate. Maging masaya tayo. Kasi kahit papano kasi, at least, may na-prove tayo. Kahit na after natin manakay ng trabaho, dito muna tayo sa BPO, celebrate. Because it's a small wins. Kasi that's a stepping stone. That's learning process. Say learning. Kasi nandun kayo maka-learn eh. Tapos, apply na naman kayo sa iba na mas mataas ang position. Diba? So, small wins lang, celebrate. And I'm going to give you some example. Photos. Sorry. Next slide, please. Ito. During our sports fest, meron kami mga ganito ng activities, meron kami mga incentive trips. Nga pala, if you join Virginia yearly, pumunta kami ng iba-ibang lugar. Hong Kong, Thailand, US, Brazil. Yes, we're ready. Later on, we're ready. So that's part of the sales. As a sales yan siya, as a sales. So, ngayong taon, pumunta kami ng Thailand. Last year, pumunta kami ng Korea. Yun yung sa sales namin. No? Those are the numbers. Okay? Meron kami mga activities. Yung year-end kami na strategy planning. Those are the trainings and seminars. Meron kami, next slide please. So ito, meron kami mga, travels namin, no? Pwede namin yan, Thailand. Ito, meron kami mga team buildings, may recreations kami. Those are the small wins lang, pero sinaselebrate namin. Because we wanted our people to be happy. It's a big number. Because without our people, hindi tatagal sa Virginia. That's why I keep on telling you, in sales, the backbone is the employee or the people in the backbone.